Okay, you guys, so my plate is ready. Okay, and if you want to see how I make my breakfast, just keep watching this video and you will see how I make my breakfast. This is the ham steak, eggs, ham steak and eggs, hash brown with onion, red, yellow, green bell pepper. And gonna have toast with it and with some jelly. I haven't put my jelly on yet. So I just want to come back to show you guys what I got cooking for breakfast this morning. So, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time running across my cooking channel, share my cooking channel with your friends and family. Like, thumb this video up, and subscribe if you don't mind. If you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Again, like I said, if you want to see how I cook this breakfast, just keep watching this video. Here's my toast. Also, got my coffee on deck. Alrighty. See you guys in this upload video. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in this upload video. I am hungry. Alright. And if guys, again, like I said, you guys want to see how I cook this, just keep watching this video. My morning breakfast. Are we ready to talk endorsements? Buy the all-new Mint Google Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro at googlestore.com. Okay, you guys, I did put some of that hot sauce on top of my ham. I just want to come back to show you guys that. Wow, look at that, you guys. So yeah, and that's my two toasts with the jelly. And here's something, you guys. I'm gonna try this out. Old-fashioned lemonade. Even though I got my coffee on deck, but you won't believe where I got this from, you guys. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Wow. Well, you know, you guys, don't knock the Dollar Tree, but I don't know how it tastes, but it might be good. You know, you have to shake it up. But yep, that's it. I just want to come back to show you my plate. Okay, I could give y'all the first bite of the ham. And you guys, you do not have to put no kind of salt or no kind of season in it. And what I did, I just add a little butter to cook it with it. You know, just to heat it up. But yeah, all right. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Hello, welcome back to my cooking channel today. This is my morning breakfast. I used to cook this all the time, but I haven't had this in a minute. It's called ham steak and egg. Okay, so for the side, what I'm gonna do, cook me some hash brown diced, and then add some pepper to the potato, and I'll probably go ahead and do me a toast. Put I don't know which one I want to use, but yeah, this is my morning breakfast, you guys. Okay, just want to come back to show you guys what I'm having for breakfast. The main dish is the ham steak. It's kind of real thick. Ham steak and egg. That's the main dish. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I put my season on it. Okay, that's the only season I put on my hash brown. This right here. Okay, now put in my air fryer. That is. You guys, I'm gonna do my eggs last. I'm gonna go ahead and fry my ham steak. Okay, you guys, I like to add my cheese inside my egg mixture. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna heat up my butter. The pan I'm using, I love this. And wow, look at that. That's the ham steak. Boy, look how thick it is. It's really for two people. And my butter's melted. And you guys, this ham is already cooked. You just need to brown it on both sides. Yes, yes, yes. Alrighty, so, yep. This is almost time to flip it. Okay, so now I did flip it. So, see all that juice? I kind of base it on top of that. But yeah, you don't want to cook it too much because it's already cooked. I got my butter for my egg. Okay, guys, so I do not like my egg scrambled hard. Just like this is how I like it. Okay, that's how I like it. Show you when I finish making my plate. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how my ham steak look. Wow. Okay, so my breakfast is ready. And again, like I said, I know I just cut half of that ham steak. And my egg.